Did you know that most people mix up what really makes them wealthier? If you're like 80% of Americans, you may be treating your home as an asset when it could actually be a liability. Let's clear the confusion. Assets are money-making machines, while liabilities suck away cash like vampires. Think of your home as a giant sponge. If you're paying more in maintenance and mortgage than it can rent for, it's draining money. Misunderstanding this can cost over $10K in missed opportunities. Imagine investing that sum instead of pouring it down the drain. So why does this matter? Because every dollar you spend on liabilities is a dollar not earning for you. It's like leaving money on the table. To avoid this trap, focus on buying assets that push your cash flow upwards, not downwards. Start small if you must, but start. Remember, the secret to wealth isn't just earning more. It's making sure what you own is putting money in your pocket, not taking it out. Subscribe and see how changing this one mindset can alter the course of your financial future. Money Mechanics decodes the secrets to wealth building you've never been taught.